Hello guys, Arnav here. Welcome back to my channel guys, and today this is part 2 of making the Lego set 76223, the Marvel Studios the Infinity Sega Nano Gauntlet. So today guys, I'm going to be starting on bag 1. So enough further ado, let's get this built, shall we? So let's quickly open the bag. Let's get the bag open. Mini bags. So now that the bags are opened, let's start the build right here. So here's how far I built so far. So you can start to see the stand is finished, and you can start to see the inner skeleton. So you can see lots of random colors of various pieces, as this is eventually going to be hidden and covered. So that's why for this center core piece of the arm, they use it has various pieces in various colors like yellow, green, light green, cyan, orange, yellow, a mix of colors, as this will eventually be covered. So now I'm going to be building this section here. So yeah, so let's carry on. Okay, it's time to install this big chunk of the gauntlet on top of this. Yeah, I did hurt myself a little bit, but it's not a problem. And it should connect like this. Oh yeah, there it is. There it is. This is the full bag 1 of this gauntlet. Alright guys, so I'll see you guys in part 2 of building this nano gauntlet. Peace.